Jimmy O here from JoBlo, and I'm here to review Dawn of the Planet of the Apes. Now the question is, has Matt Reeves successfully entered the world of the apes? Damn right he has. The story begins 10 years after the simian flu pretty much wiped out most of humanity. However, a small group of human survivors led by Gary Oldman have managed to try and rebuild. Meanwhile, the apes led by Caesar have flourished. From the very first scene, it is clear once again that Weta has outdone themselves. The motion capture work and the effects are freaking outstanding here. It's hard to imagine you're actually watching CG or anything of the sort. These are apes. These are the real deal. And speaking of outstanding, Andy Serkis is absolutely brilliant as Caesar. I love the connection he has with the more understanding humans, including Jason Clarke and Keri who have developed their own family through their own loss. And Caesar sees this and he has a sympathy for them and understands them. The focus on family here is also incredibly moving all around. Caesar has his own wife and 2 children, including a newborn. And when his infant son shares a moment with Keri and Cody Smith-McPhee, it is so real and so touching. Again, you forget this is CG. Of course, if you have an apes film, you need a conflict. And we have that here, because there is mistrust on both sides with Gary Oldman and Toby Kebbell as Koba. Now, they are the catalyst in what becomes a major conflict with each side. All of this, of course, leads to a satisfying conclusion, and I cannot wait to see what happens next. Dawn of the Planet of the Apes is an epic and emotional tale. An astonishing spectacle with an equally impressive human drama. Honestly, this is the best of the summer. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Yeah, you heard me right. If you want to read the full review, check out JoBlo.com and click on that little button that says Reviews.